Okay, so let's take a look at this guy, right? There's only one place to start, I believe, right? Is right here, okay? If you look, in this case, if the current followed this path, it would go through this one, then this one. So this is series, and that's 17, right? And then we have here, if we go from here to here, right? If we look at from that spot to this spot, it's a 13 and a 17 in parallel, right? Okay. So that resistance is going to be 13 to the minus 1 plus 17 to the minus 1. And that is equal to 7.36 bar ohms, right? Okay, so now we've got, if you think of everything in that circle as one resistor, we now have a 7.36 bar, and a 7. Those are series. Because the current's going to go, if we think of this, all of this in this circle here, as one resistor, it's going to go through this one, then through that one, then through this one, right? So that's going to be 3 plus 7.36 bar, that resistor, plus 7. And that's going to be 17.36 bar. I guess I didn't need my calculator for that, did I? Now we've got, if we go from here to here, which is going to be the final thing, right? We've got an 11 in parallel with a 17.36 bar. So that's going to be 11 to the minus 1 plus 17.36 bar to the minus 1 to the minus 1. What is that? This is 6.73. Yeah. Okay. So now the question is, can we Motaz this one? Let's see. Let's see if we can. Okay. So I come in here. The first thing I encounter is a parallel expression. So parentheses, the Uber expression. And the first term is 11 to the minus 1. Plus, and now, the next resistor is complicated, right? So that guy is 3 plus, and this is an inner term here. 3 plus, and then this next resistor is complicated too, right? So that's 13 to the minus 1 plus 7 plus 10 to the minus 1 to the minus 1. Okay, so we got 3. This resistor, boom, 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 we've dealt with that, right? Plus 7. And now this parenthesis closes this parenthesis. Okay, so we got 11, and then this guy to the minus 1. And then we've got the to the minus 1. Let's see if it works. It's only one way to find out. 11 to the minus 1. Plus left parenthesis 3 plus parenthesis 13 to the minus 1 plus parenthesis 7 plus 10 to the minus 1 parenthesis to the minus 1 plus 7 parenthesis to the minus 1 parenthesis to the minus 1. It worked, baby. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Does that hurt your brain? It's like, yeah, it's good for you. It's good for you, yeah. Oh, and then the other question was, I believe, to draw a pretty pony, right? So. That's my pretty pony.